styrofoam. So we're putting those electrons from the fur to the styrofoam, so we're making the styrofoam negative. Okay. We're gonna put the pie plate on the styrofoam. The negative styrofoam is repelling the electrons to the edge of the pie plate. Number 3, touch the edge of the pie plate to the bolt of the Leyden jar. This is a little container. Look at this pill container. It's got metallic tape. There's plastic, there's water, and there's a metal bolt. So what's going to happen is we're going to be able to put charge on the metal bolt, and it's going to get stored in the water. I got a few people that need to tune in. You ready? Okay. So this has negative electrons up on the edge, and number 3, I'm going to touch the edge. Get ready to fill this one in. The Leyden jar touches the negative pie plate edge, and electrons go to the jar. Did you hear them? Okay, so I captured a shock in here, and it's just stored in here in the water. I've got extra electrons in the water. Number 4, holding the cup, lift the pie plate. This is positive, because we took the electrons away, so it's positive. And you're going to touch the pie plate with your hand. I'm going to give it some electrons back. See if you can hear them go back. You hear them go back? Okay, now it's neutral. So now the styrofoam's still negative. I'm going to put the pie plate on here. The negative styrofoam can move the pie plate's electrons because the pie plate is a conductor, and the electrons are coming up to the edge. I'm going to store another shock in here. Okay, I got some more in here. It's positive. Let's give it some electrons back. Okay. The negative styrofoam's pushing the electrons up to the edge. I'm going to store a third shock in here. Okay, got it. Store it in here. This is positive. I'm going to give it electrons back. Okay. Number 4, when you ground an object, the ground can give or accept electrons, whatever it needs to do. It's called being a source or a sink. And we do that a few times. The Leyden jar is building up a bigger what charge? It's getting the electrons, it's building up a bigger negative charge. Okay, then number 7, with one hand, you're gonna make a little circuit right in your hand. So you're gonna hold the jar with your fingers and your thumb, and you're gonna have your pointer finger ready. And I'm gonna come in so you can maybe see the zap. I'm gonna get a pretty good zap. All right, and that's because I connected like a little circuit. And what you're gonna do is when the excess electrons were discharged, you feel a small shock. Number 8, you're gonna take a slow-mo video with the lights off, and you're gonna see what color it is. We have captured quite a few different little lightnings. Would you please do these steps 3, 4, and 5 as you're building up? Once you go past about 7, it doesn't get any more. That's kind of the limit for these little Leyden jars. You cannot get hurt with this. There are Leyden jars at college campuses that you can totally get hurt by, but this is not going to hold up enough charge to hurt you. Okay. People online, there is one more video for the next page, and you should be able to fill in what happened with what you saw. Okay. All of you, person closest to the